After you have placed your order, we will deliver a starter kit with all the necessary components. You will find the following in the box. Connect and set up the router. Following the detailed online instruction, place the gateway in a position that will oversee the machines you want to control. Place the sensor on the machines. You don't have to worry where. We spotted them for you. Now our algorithms will validate the sensor signal. When done, the calibration starts. It takes only 15 minutes. That's it. Preliminary results are already available. Our algorithms are eager to learn more to increase the level of precision. You are done. Now your manufacturing machine is digital. Boost efficiency driven by real-time overview on machine, availability, and machine performance. Drill down analytics. Efficiency made simple. HARIS Digital.